What's up guys, it's Toby over at SBC Performance, and today we're going to take you through the install of the bro bar on the new 23.5, 24 models. Let's get into it. The tools you'll need to install the bro bar are pretty simple. You're going to need a T45 Torx and a 3/16 Allen, a ratchet, and an extension. Before you start, you're going to want to protect your bike. We put rags over whatever fender you have, one on the ground to protect the lower fairing cover, and then once this is off, you'll want to put something on the regulator to protect that as well. First step, you're going to take off the T45 on each side. Next, you're going to pop off your stock oil cooler cover. It's just 2 grommets. Kind of got to force it. You'll feel them pop out though. So after you've carefully removed the stock oil cooler cover, next you're going to take out the 2 3/16 socket Allens. Then you'll be able to remove the stock engine guard. Once you remove the 2 center bolts, it's going to be best to have a friend help you out to get off the stock engine guard. Usually you're going to go up to clear the oil cooler, and you should have room to slide it through the top carefully. That's why we got rags and stuff in place. And there, you're good to go. All right, next we're going to install the 23.5, 24 bro bar. As you can see, it's got some of our new carbon fiber and white matching end caps for this model on it. Our standard colors are black, gold, bronze, red, and raw, but we will do custom colors if you ask. We're gonna get this thing put on and show you how it's done. All right, so first you're gonna carefully feed it through here. You're gonna have to work around the fender, the tire, the radiator, the regulator, all that fun jazz. Key part on install here is Rob's side's gonna go on first. So you're gonna slide your 2 bottom ones on first, make sure the center is clearing the regulator, which we're good to go there.
Install blue Loctite.
Definitely put on blue Loctite on every bolt you got. I'm going to put in the 2 centers first, just loosely. Don't tighten anything down yet. And then next you'll do the T45 Torx. Again, tighten everything by hand. Nothing too crazy right now. Give him the wrench so I can get him on there. While Rob's working on that side, I'll start tightening the 2 top bolts. You're going to tighten these first, and then you're going to tighten the 2 lower T45 Torx. Everybody always asks us for torque specs. I know there's stock torque specs on this stuff, but sometimes they're too little, and in other situations they might be too much, so we just say blue Loctite and go till it's good and snug. No need to reef on it or anything. All right, now that those 2 are pretty tight, we'll give Rob the ratchet if he wants to do his side first. Snug that one up. You're all set as far as bolts go. Now we'll just slide up the stock oil cooler cover. It helps to make it easier to slip these back in and put a little bit of spray on there, maybe some mist and shine or something, but you don't have to. And usually you're going to slide your top ones in first, lightly, if I can get my finger out of there. And the rags in there, there we go. You'll kind of feel them sink themselves in there. And that's going to be your finished product. We just finished our install on the 23.5, 24 bro bar. If you like what you see, click the link below and get yourself one, and let us know if you want to see some more install videos.